Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make Maharashtrian style yummy cabbage zunka recipe. For making cabbage zunka recipe, I took 250 grams cabbage, shred the cabbage finely, wash the cabbage leaves under the tap, drain out the water, set aside. Prepare an onion, chop into small pieces. Prepare half cup chickpea flour and handful of fenugreek leaves. Chop them. Mix all the ingredient into a mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon red chili powder, salt and half a teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well with your hand so that onion and cabbage leaves should be well coated with flour and masala. Turn on the heat, put a kadai, add a tablespoon cooking oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon mustard seed and half a teaspoon cumin seed. When mustard seed will splatter, add the mixture of onion and cabbage. Stir evenly for 2 minutes, then reduce the heat. Sprinkle some water. Now put a lid and cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Stir evenly, mix well. Now add few drops of vegetable oil. Now again put the lid over low heat. Cook for another 6 to 7 minutes. Then open the lid, quick stir so that cabbage leaves will not stick with the kadai. Cook until cabbage leaves are soft. Our yummy tasty cabbage zunka recipe is ready for serving. Serve this zunka recipe with bhakri, roti or chapati. Thanks for watching.